Hello, in front of me I have Samsung S25, and in this video I'm going to show you how to close all tabs at once. Okay, so let's begin. Simply open up your browser. I'm gonna use the Google Chrome. Also I will add some new tabs. Okay, I think 4 will be enough. And now to close all of them at the same time, click on right in here in that small window with the number of the tabs. Right in here, now click on those 3 dots in the top right corner, and now click on close all tabs. Click on select all, click on close tabs, boom, and now they have been successfully closed. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.